This AI support bundle app will update any changes from your bundle with just one simple prompt. Most bundle app requires to configure everything manually. With AI Studio in a rich bundle builder, we can create, update, and customize bundles using simple prompts, making the entire process faster and easier. To access it, open Rich Bundle Builder and go to the AI Studio tab. Please note that AI Studio is not visible on Shopify development stores. We need to open a live or supported non-development store. So, what can AI Studio do? AI Studio can handle almost everything within a bundle. It can configure every discount types available in the app, add new sets to an existing bundle, add products or collections, customize the bundle layout, design, and styling, and it can change any tags within bundle like add to bundle button tags and etc. We can choose a pre-written prompt for common actions or write our own instructions based on changes we need. In this example, we will first use AI Studio to create a new set in the bundle. We can write add one more set named gift to the bundle and simply enter it. After submitting the prompt, AI Studio will begin processing the request. This may take a few moments while it reviews the current bundles and create the new gift sets. So you can simply click the apply changes and you can see the gift has already added in the bundle. Once the request is complete, the gift set appear in the bundle. We can enter another prompt to add a collection to it. We can write add a bouquet collection to the gift set and simply enter it. AI Studio will process the second request and add a selected collection to the new created gift set. You can see it's processing. You can simply click the apply changes, and you can see the bouquet is already added. So once the process is complete, we can review the gift set, confirm that the bouquet collection has been added correctly, and save the bundle. With AI Studio, we can manage almost every part of the bundle by simply describing the changes we want.